What's up guys, TechRex here. In this video I have a perfectly working iPhone 11. There's no cracks on this phone, nothing wrong with the front, nothing wrong with the back. Beautiful device. And we got a really simple video here. So we have a high pressure blaster right here. We're going to be actually pumping this with a whole bunch of air, placing this iPhone right inside this little nozzle. The phone's going to be turned on just like that, and we're going to blast it out of there. So I have no idea what's going to happen to this phone. I think it'll be very interesting to find out though. So without further ado, let's go straight into this and see what happens. And we're pumping it up, guys. We've got everything wired up. Check it out, we've got this board here just for some protection. Make sure we could see the full impact, so we're all set up. We're gonna place it inside the nozzle. The phone is on. Whenever you're ready, let's do it.
3, 2, 1, go.
So the result of that first blast, you guys could tell that the front of the phone actually looks like it survived very well. There's one small little crack here on the top of the iPhone here in the display, but overall still works perfectly fine. When we look at the back of the phone though, it's a different story. We have cracks everywhere, middle, top, just covered in shatters. But we're going to give it another shot here and just see what happens as we progress with these blasts. Let's go ahead and put it back in the nozzle and blast it out once again and see what happens. So the phone is secure. We're good to go. It's working. Let's see what happens.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Whew. And the results the second time around, you guys can see there's a lot more cracks here on the front this time. So you have this massive shatter going along the right side. The back, very similar. Got cracks everywhere, but the phone is still working. Everything is still functional. This time we're going to blast it straight into the sky and see it in terms of a durability drop test, just what happens to the phone. So we're going to go ahead and do it in 3, 2, 1. Where is it? Oh, whoa. Okay, so I did not even see it in the sky, but it looks like, I don't know if this is the back or the front of the phone, but there's a huge piece of it right here. It looks like the display fully popped out. I don't know where the other piece of the phone is, but thought this was gonna land on my head for a second. I could not spot it at all. And here's the other part of the iPhone, guys. It actually got lodged into this tree. So we were looking everywhere. We couldn't tell if it's in the neighbor's yard or where it is, but I'm gonna try and go ahead and just grab it here. Oh, and here it is, guys, the other part of the iPhone here. So it looks like it's still fully intact. It's just the display and the back casing here just totally ripped apart upon that blast. That pretty much wraps it up, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. As always, stay tuned for more videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.